Good evening, dear students. Welcome back to First PUC online classes. In today's class, I am going to explain the continued numerical part of a motion in a plane. Problem number 12. That is, the ceiling of a long hall is 20 meter high. The ceiling of a long hall is 25 meter high. What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall? And a given data g is equal to acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. This was the given question. The ceiling of a long hall is 25 meter high. What is the height here? By reading this question, I have to draw one diagram. This one is considered as a hall. We are throwing a ball. This one is a ball. We are throwing vertical up. It hits to the ceiling of the hall. Again, it returns back in the direction of applied force, move down and falls on the surface. This one height, how much? H is equal to here 25 meter. This one is the height. Makes an angle theta. Initial velocity is u. And this one is the ball. Okay. A range r is r. By reading that question, I will write here given data. H is equal to how much? 25 meter height. Initial velocity u is equal to 40 meter per second. And we have to calculate that horizontal range r is equal to question mark. Apply the formula. Using formula h is equal to u square sin square theta divided by 2 into g. Here h is equal to how much? 25 is equal to u square value 40 square sin square theta divided by 2 into g value 9.8. Then sin square theta is equal to 25 into 2 into 9.8 divided by 40 square. Okay, after simplifying this one, we get sin square theta is equal to 0.3063. Then sin theta is equal to square root of 0.3063. Using calculator, find this one value. Sin theta is equal to 0.5534. Then next, here theta is equal to sin inverse of 0.5534. Then theta is equal to sin inverse of this one. By using scientific calculator or natural harmonic table, we get the answer 33 degree 36 minutes. This one is the theta. Okay, this one is the theta value. By considering this one theta value, calculate range. Range formula r is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. R is equal to u value 40 square sin into 2 into theta value 33 degree 36 minute divided by 9.8. 9.8. Then r is equal to 40 square 1600 into sine 33 degree 36 minutes into 2. Its answer 67 degree 12 minutes divided by 9.8. Then r is equal to, calculate this one by using the calculator, find out this one value. You get the answer 150.5 meter. This one is the range. This one is a range. Once again repeat this one. H is equal to how much here? 25 meter. U is equal to 40. R is equal to question mark. Using the formula, height, maximum height is equal to U square sin square theta divided by 2 into G. H 25, U 40 square, U square 40 square, sin square theta divided by 2 into 9.8. Then sin square theta is equal to 25 into 2 into 9.8 divided by 40 square. Sin square is equal to, sin square theta is equal to 0.3063. Then sin theta is equal to root of 0.3063. Okay, sin theta is equal to 0.5534. Then theta is equal to sin inverse. When that value comes to RHS side, it becomes a inverse, sin inverse of 0.5534. Theta is equal to sin inverse of 0.5534. Its answer 33 degree 36 minutes. Okay, by considering this one theta value, calculate range. Range formula, r is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. R is equal to u square 40 square sin 2 theta value 33 degree 36 minutes divided by g value 9.8. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 9.8 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 150.5 ಮೀಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹಾರಿಜೆಂಟಲ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 150 meter, 150.5 meter. Then problem number 12 over. Next, problem number 13. A bullet fired from a rifle attains a maximum height to 25 meter and crosses a range 200 meter. Find the angle of projection. Okay, in that given question there are two values they mentioned. One is the height, another is the range. By considering these one values, we have to calculate angle of projection. Angle of projection. First write down given data, given values. R is equal to how much? 200 meter. And height h is equal to how much? 25 meter. We have to calculate theta is equal to question mark. Apply the formula. First h, maximum height formula. Maximum height formula, h is equal to u square sin theta divided by 2 into g. Equation number 1. Range formula, range r is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Then, but sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta. Apply here. R is equal to u square sin theta into cos theta divided by g. Equation number 3. Now equation 1 by equation 3. Equation 1 divided by equation 3. H divided by R is equal to, H divided by R is equal to, H value u square sin theta divided by 2g, and R value all divided by u square sin theta into cos theta divided by g. Okay, it means here h divided by R is equal to u square sin theta divided by 2g into g divided by u square sin theta into cos theta. Okay, here 2 is there, sorry, 2 u square. Now G get cancel, U square get cancel. Next, okay, sorry here, h is equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g, r is equal to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Sine 2 theta is equal to formula 2 sine theta into cos theta, r is equal to u square sine theta into cos theta divided by g, equation number 3. Now equation 1 divided by equation 3, h divided by r is equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g whole divided by 2u square sine square theta into cos square theta divided by g. Then h divided by r is equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g into g divided by 2u square sine theta into cos theta. Then h divided by r is equal to, here sine theta get cancel, remaining sine theta divided by 4 into cos theta. 4 into cos theta. But we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Now what is the value of h here? 25. R value 200 is equal to sine by cos, that is a tan theta divided by 4. Tan theta divided by 4. Then tan theta is equal to 25 into 4 divided by 200. Tan theta is equal to 25 into 4. Okay, 100 divided by 200. Its answer 1 by 2. It means 0.5. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5. By using scientific calculator logarithm table, theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5, answer 26 degree 33 minutes. This one is the theta. This one is the final answer. Okay. In today's class I discussed a total 2 problems. From tomorrow onwards we'll start a new topic, that is the laws of motion, Newton's laws of motion. Thank you.